Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always works.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. We are back. Sorry, it's been a hectic week. You guys know I've been traveling, been on the road, but I've been calling some fire ass calls on Telegram. We've been on a winning streak. We've been killing it. It's been ridiculous. I hope you guys have been cashing out. And if you haven't, it's because you're not in my Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description. It's absolutely free. It's for everybody, anybody. You can take the trade ideas if you want. You don't have to. You don't have to make money. You can come just watch and chill and hang out. I'm cool with that too. Anyways, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live stream Forex Trading Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me. Oh shit, Efrain, that intro though. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Can we get a couple of horns for our wins? We're on a winning streak, baby. We've been killing it all week. We're in hella profits. We got a record-breaking month coming. I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited. I've been having the best time of my life with you guys, and you know, I really enjoy thoroughly the messages I'm getting. You know, the people winning, the people beginning to like understand different things and improving, and just the consistency, man. Like the people that continuously show up and the improvements that they're showing. I mean, it's, for me, it's definitely a proud moment, definitely something to be proud of, and you know, it's exciting. So that's what I wanted at the end of the day. I wanted you guys to win. I mean, I already know how to win. I don't do this for myself. I do it for you guys, and you know, it's paying off, and I think that's awesome. How you been? I've been good, bro. I've been traveling. I've been all over the place, and been on the road. I'm back in my office. I'm back, ready to get this thing going. Yo, what's good, brother? Welcome to the show. So I have gold already kind of set up here. This was yesterday's trade, and look at gold yesterday, just compared to the move it's made since then. I mean, we cashed out 110 plus pips here, but this thing, I mean, we're talking about, it fucking flew. Like, I mean, it came back and didn't even come to our entry, but it came back and flew again. This thing is crazy, man. You could have entered again and taken the same setup, cashed out again. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was nuts, man. Nuts. This was like pre-London, and then during London it pushed down a bit, and then we had this thing fucking fly. Anyways, those gold buys were fresh in GJ sells. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We've been giving them out. We've been giving them out. We've been feeding people, bro. Oh, man. Anyways, where are we at? Let's get things started here. Let's make things happen. What did I need to open? Oh yeah, here. Let's go. Okay, so look at this, guys. Let me just remove this for a second so you guys can see what I see. So this was yesterday, right? We have this consolidation phase. We have a pump up, pullback, push up. Consolidation phase. Now we can expect a pump up, pullback, push up. Just like this. Just like this. Because the market is trending, right? So this is why I literally just took this from over here and pasted it here. Because here's how, this is how nice this thing lines up. Just watch. Let's go to the daily. I want to show you guys something. So here we are on the daily, right? We've been moving down consistently, right? So we have this trend, right? That's moving down. At this point right here, it's broken this trend, this bearish trend. It's broken it, right? We have additional confirmation that it's broken this trend by looking at this level of support turned into resistance, how it broke through, retested it, and pushed up. Okay, so now if we're moving up, we look for our next clear level, right? Our next clear level is right here. See how I marked this up, this little zone right here? All right, so we know that price likes to play from zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone, whether it's moving up or moving down. If it's moving down, it's zone to zone, 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 zone. Like it just keeps going between the zones, right? So if it's going up, it keeps going between the zones until it breaks, retests, and then it keeps going, you know? So if it's trending, it will break and retest. If it's ranging, it'll hit the zone and then come back and test the zone again. Okay, so if we have these zones marked up, let's see what we're looking at. Where were we? On the 30-minute? Was it on the 30-minute or in the 1 hour? Maybe it was 4. I think it was 4 hour. No, it wasn't 30-minute. Okay, so the purples are 4 hour zones. These are those dailies, right? So you can see here that we broke through here to the daily, right? We pushed up, came back, retested, held, and then pushed up. This retest right here and push up, this is the indication that the probability that this comes and tests this zone is so much higher because of this hold, right? And we have additional confirmation because we broke this high, we broke this high. So the trend is overall bullish, right? Does that make sense, guys? Yeah, man, it was, I mean, the market has been nice. The market has been hella nice. I mean, if you can't, I mean, if you can't catch wins right now, the market is hella nice, guys. Like, you know, right now is like the perfect time, literally the perfect time. But anyways, so look at what we're looking at here, guys. We're in this area, and after each consolidation phase, there's a push phase. Now, whether that pushes down or up, we don't know, right? That's up to the market. But after everything else that we've just looked at, the probability that it's to the upside is higher. But how do we get the numbers more into our favor, right? We want those numbers more into our favor. So we would say, okay, let's look for another area for it to break out. And we would literally look at this top right here. You see the bodies right here? So if we look to the left, gotta go all the way back. All the way back. Almost there. Okay. So look, breaking this area, and we could even move this up just above right here, right there, just to cover this. That's what I'm looking at. This is on the 30-minute. Breaking that right there, we have this clear push up. Boom. That's about 40 pips, right? First level. Okay. Second level, about 83. And then I think your final push right here is 123, which would be right to this daily. So we could milk this, take this to the upside, breaking here, right? Our target would be this area, the daily, because then we would want to take our profit here and then look at the market and see what is it going to do. Are you going to continue the trend to push through here, break through it, retest and continue, or are you going to hold this as resistance and come back down to test the previous support, right? So that's what we look at. And this one I didn't do a top-down analysis because, well, I was already in this thing. So, and then so let's look at to the downside, right? So right now it's testing that to the downside. So we would say, oh well, here we have the bottoms right here, and then we have clean movement from here to here. 57 pips level 1. We have 120 plus pips level 2, and then we have another level here, 157. But if we were to come all the way back down to test the support, is like 200 plus pips, right? But here's the thing, we have 4-hour supports here and here. Okay. So what do we want to do? We want to wait for price to give us clear indication. That's rule number 1, right? We break down through here. We do have this clean movement here, although we do have this support right here. We want to be aware of this, but really our most we want to pay attention to our most recent price action, which is literally right here. I mean, but the thing is if we're overall bullish, we ideally would like a move to the upside over here. I know this may seem like less amount of pips than this, but this has more levels to break through. You know what I'm saying? You have like this like double bottom type thing here. You have a level right here, 4-hour support. You have a level right here until it gets here. So the challenges to come down is a lot greater than it is to go up. So the probability is a lot higher going up. Okay. Now we can take this down further, right? If we're like, okay, we're consolidating right now. We're gonna look for a push below or above. Ideally, I would like it to be above, just because of the trend and all the other confirmations we've looked at, and the probability of it reaching this level is a lot higher than it reaching this level. I think that it'll reach this level first before it comes down to reach this level. You know what I'm saying? So look at this heavy consolidation, man. Consolidating. There's gonna be a push. But where is that push gonna be? Who knows? See. All right. Let me go ahead and mark this up for you guys. Because I know some of you guys just come for this. Just want that manja. Manja, manja, manja. And the crazy thing is that this could dip into here and then just fucking fly. You know? I could come dip, test this, and fly. For damn sure. You know? Let's look at GJ. Get rid of all this stuff. So for the week right now, I mean, it's just been holding. Looks like it capped out over here a couple weeks ago. Pushed down. Tried to pull up, but didn't. Came pull up, but pushed back down. Daily, it's forming this. I mean, it's still, there's a low, higher low, higher low. And we're at that place right now. I mean, we're really, you know, maybe 30-40 pips away from holding a level before it moves up. All right. 4 hour. 4 hour on GJ. Mark up some of these levels here. Hour, just to find them a little bit. Okay. 30-minute. Also consolidating. At about a 28 pip range right there. Push down about 39-40 pips. Not bad. Not bad at all. And maybe just move it down. There's your potential. See, moving to the top side. I would probably say right here, because look, if we break above here, got 7 pips there, 12, 23. I don't like that. But breaks above here, boom, 33, 50, 65. Push all the way up to this, at 90 pips. Looks a lot nicer than this mess right here. Okay, okay, let me write this up for you guys. Okay. All right. Take a screenshot, write it down, note it up, do whatever you gotta do. This is the setup for GJ. Give you guys a couple seconds. Here's the setup for gold. Looks like gold is breaking down right now. All right, all right, all right. It's a waiting game now. Sales are more clean than the buys. On which one, bro? On GJ or gold? So, man, and really, I think I would much rather have a buy. Just because of the overall probability. Like a sell, like I said, it may just come down, you know, maybe not even fill this whole thing, but it may just come down right here, you know, before it pulls up. I have a really strong feeling about that. Gold. Yeah, I mean, it looks like that right here, right? But the thing is, based on what has been happening here, the higher time frame levels of support, the trend breaking, moving bullish, market structure being broken repeatedly here, like here, everything on that end is telling me that the buys would be nice, you know. Even if we were to look to put in a buy order right now, I mean, really our stops would be probably below here. It's like 71 pips. Target 180, 2.5. Not a bad risk to reward, but the thing is that's a really big stop, you know. Well, even if it broke above here, I'm thinking like if it broke above here, where would our stops be? And usually we put it below the previous wick, but the thing is with gold, you have to account for the spikes. Remember, gold loves to do that. So it can't be below the previous wick, it has to be the last untouched candle, which even then would be below this. This is the last untouched candle, and it'd be under there, under that one, which would be even a bigger stop. So really this would be better play, because this is almost a three risk to reward. Risking about 67 pips. What do you guys think? You guys think we should do it? Eagline says, I think I'm already in it, so YOLO. Motherfucking gambler. I love it. I'm really tempted to buy this, like literally right now. I mean, this is it would be a really good entry, to be honest. Because I don't see this continuing to fall. Like, yeah, this is a setup, and it should be, but gold is... Yeah, let's see. What does the 4 hour say? Okay, 4 hours says we've pushed up, exhausted, reversal, pushed down. It's about 3 hours left in that. I think this is bullshit. I think it's gonna hold right here and push up, which is why I'm gonna jump in here for a buy. I'm jumping in on a buy, guys. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. Just know that I'm jumping in for a buy. I'm jumping in for a buy, and this is my setup right here. What price did I get in at? 1791.34. I'm in, guys, for a buy. I'm in for a buy. .62 risk to reward, not bad. Watching it, watching it, watching it, watching it, watching it. I tell you, I really just feel like this is gonna pump up. It's 1 a.m. We're in pre-London. We're coming into some profits already. Damn, I should have called this out on the Telegram. Well, hopefully you guys are here. We're pushing into profits. We're in profits now. Telling you guys, the way gold's been moving, they're like, this is the move. This is the move. Yeah, volume's gonna pick up with this London, pre-London, and then when London opens, ooh, should be nice. Should be nice. We're about 7 pips in profit already. Nice. 8 pips. What's GJ doing? Playing around. I am gonna buy for gold, guys. I'm gonna buy for gold. I'm gonna buy for gold. The reason I bought here, guys, instead of waiting for this break was specifically because of the stop. My stop is going to be below here, and the reason it's below here is because this is, you gotta usually you want to put it below the last low, right, which is around here, around this wick. But the thing is that gold is notorious for wicking, right? Just fucking spiking up and down. So you want to give it room by going to the low and then identifying the next candle that hasn't been touched, which is this candle right here. And this could very well come down to test this area. I'll change this to, I don't know, yellow. This could come down and test this area before it shoots up. So, and this is what gold does. Like usually whenever we have this break, you know, we take like 15, 20 pips, right? Which this would be 15, 20 pips. You know, it'll come down. I mean, even if it came down in here, 50 pips, whatever this may be, understand that this isn't the move. This is a false move before the move. And that's what gold has been doing over and over and over. And just this past week, like this is what I've been adjusting to, is adjusting to gold giving us the false move of this breakout before the real move. And that's why I jumped into a buy here, because it could just push up and do the move, or give us this false move before giving us the move. That makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. See, this is now breaking down to the downside. And you could have a quick 15-20 pip move here, which would make this still, it's still valid, you know, like whichever way you go. But what move do you want to play? You want to play a long-term move, or you want to just play a quick scalp? Man, I'm hungry, man. I just got up from a nap like an hour ago or 2 hours ago. It was like 11:30, an hour and a half ago. And hungry. Watch, look, we're coming into this zone. Watch it touch this zone and push up. And all it's doing is just all of these stops below, like all of this picking up all that liquidity before makes it smooth. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. This is how people get faked out. I mean, we get this breakout, right, of the area, and like I said, you could catch those 15-20 pips, but everything is telling me that we're going up. And usually after this like movement, we have this liquidity grab, push up, the false move before the move. Hopefully you guys were able to take this with me. Ace Gaming was good. Anyone in those GJ buys thinking it's a fake out? I don't know. GJ buys. Yeah, I mean, the area that I'm looking at right here, bro, is breakouts above or below here. You know, it's consolidating right now. It's just ranging, and you need clear indication to the upside or downside. I mean, you have more room to the upside than you do to the downside. But if we look at the 4-hour, you know, it's still bearish, you know. But it looks like it wants to start breaking market structure. We break 150 like 60, and then 150 750. That's areas I would look at to, okay, now, because we have this market structure that has been forming, right? See that? So it came down and retested it nicely, but I would like to see it break this market structure. If we could break this market structure, you know, we would look for it to do a move like this. Then you could enter on support to target a higher high. Does that make sense? But if you're looking like, you know, the streams, guys, like, these are quick little moves. We're looking for 15-20 pips to jump in, jump out. That's what the stream is for. If you're looking for those bigger moves, swing trading, like, you know, like zone to zone stuff, those take a lot more time and you'll be holding for a little bit longer. So you want to pay attention to what strategy are you trading, you know, and you can't let, you know, that's why I try to come on here and just do one strategy for you guys, where we're just catching 15-20 pips live and doing it in front of you, because you can't let other strategies start to bleed into your, like, each strategy is its one on its own, you know. You can't start using those mechanics of one strategy for another, you know, because it'll mess you up. So that's why I say, you know, you know, a lot of people struggle with being consistent and profitable because of that simple fact, is that in the morning they're trading one strategy, in the evening they're trading another, and then during the day they're looking at another, and then they want to scalp, then they want to swing, then they want to intraday, then they zone to zone, and then, like, you have so many different options, and you start applying the mechanics of those strategies to the wrong strategies, and that's why you're wrong. You know, you have to master one to get paid. just one to be consistent and get paid, and do that same thing over and over and over and over, and until you're consistent and profitable with that, then start bringing in other strategies for other ones to give you more opportunities. But the thing is that I don't recommend that until you can master the one, because the name of the game right now is get paid, bro. Let's just get paid. Okay, just stick to one. You want to do the live ones, this is quick 15-20 pips. Okay, what we just looked at, that's a longer term move. That's a play. That's patience, waiting for price, break, retest, swinging it up. Like, that's a different strategy. You know? Prince Ray, from which time frame in gold, sir? I'm looking at gold on the 30-minute. Ice Gaming, best advice on how to stop taking profits before a TP hits. Usually hits, but tends to get scared of the price section. Bro, if you're scared, close out 90%. I just told Mr. Greenish this. He messaged me on Instagram, and he was in the gold, but he got out early, and then he saw the whole thing right up and hit the take profit that I had set. And I'm telling you, if you're scared, take your profits 90%. Put your stops to break even. Or just take 90% and leave your original. Leave your original trade, okay? And watch it play out. That alone is going to build the confidence, because you're going to see, oh shit, my 10% runner, it fucking hit. It hit. It was right. I was right. And that'll build the confidence you need to keep pushing and keep trading and hold your actual trades. You know what I'm saying? You know what's fucking crazy, man, is that why is it so easy for people to hold on to a trade when it's drawdown, but it's hard as fuck for them to hold it when they're in profits? They're like, oh shit, I'm gonna get out. Like, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. Like, bro, you gotta have confidence. Like, you gotta have confidence in your analysis and your trading and your projections. Like, have that confidence. And if you don't, close out 90%. Just close out 90%. Look, at the end of the day, you took some profits. If it stop loss, you learn a lesson. You go back, review trade, and you find better ways to improve. And if it goes and hits take profit, it builds your confidence. That's all you need. That's all you need, man. You know, every time I trade, I know what I'm risking. I know what I have the potential to lose. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay losing the potential for the game. So if I'm coming into drawdown, whatever, I'm fine till my stop. I'm good. Totally fine. If it's in profit, I'm good. Unless I have, you know, marked up levels. Okay, this is my take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. At those levels, I want to look at it and take action, right? Whether that's take partials, adjust stop loss to break even, close the whole thing, like whatever it is I want to do. Okay? Man, yeah, that confidence builds once it hits, and the guilt of faking the profit before then kills it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, that's just take partials. Take 80 to 90%. You know how to close partials, right, of your trade. Like, you just close a portion of it. Close a portion of it. It'll calm you down because, okay, you're not risking the full amount no more. You closed out some money. You took some profits. And then you let the market show you what it's supposed to do, what it's going to do, whether you were right or wrong. Yo, we're in about like 26 pips drawdown here from the entry of my trade. 25 pips. I'm not concerned. Remember, I'm looking at this level here. Maybe can I change the color of this? Make it easier color to see here. I'm gonna keep it this color, but I'm going to brighten it up here. Okay. This is the level I'm paying attention to. Hey, you're welcome, my brother. I'm here for it. These are lessons I had to learn myself long time ago, and you know, I've paid the price for that. So I'm just trying to pass on that knowledge, give you guys that value. Bro, we've been on a massive winning streak though on Telegram, so I hope you guys have been on that and taking those trades and making that money. And if you've been closing out early, I mean, you're still winning something, but damn, son, like, you know, I can't do anything else other than take the trades for you. You know, like, I mean, I'm doing as much as I can as far as teaching you guys, providing you guys that value, but I'm telling you, with time, you will get better. With time, you will understand what I'm looking at. With time, you'll be consistent, become consistent, you know? Man, I'm telling you, this gold is going to fly. We're at 117 watch. When we get to like 2 a.m., boom. It's gonna be like, hello volume. It's just stopping everybody that was taking buys from right here, buys like from this price to this price, all these buy orders, all the buy orders, it's literally just stopping them out, taking all their money because they're not patient, and then boom. We didn't even look at the news. Let's look at the news before we get ahead of ourselves. Look, okay. So we are good here. Euro, USD 7:30 a.m. unemployment claims. Oof. This one could have an impact on gold. Let's see what our currency strength is. Chinese indicator. GBP down, JPY up. GJ should be heading down based on that. See what the losers are doing. 51% are short. That's not enough. They're undecided. Yo, and really we could have just drawn up this with the last untouched candle and waited for it to come into this zone and then done our buy here. We bought a little early, but knowing that drawdown was the potential. At least that's how I took the trade. Blanket Theory Beats, like the video if you're here. I want to see more of this for sure. Hell yeah. Yeah, man. If you guys gain any value out of this, you know, if you guys can like the video for me, this helps me help other traders. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I've only been streaming for about a month, and you know, in order for me to reach other people, you know, there has to be, you know, people liking this stream, people watching this stream, coming back, and by doing so, you know, it pushes me to more exposure with other traders, especially traders that need the help. You know, there's so much false information out there. There's so many people that you know, are trying to scam people out of money, just trying to sell courses, sell fake signals, or resell other people's signals, resell other people's courses. And you know, I'm here doing it for you guys live, time after time after time, and then sending out my Telegram signals, and you know, we're hitting our profits. Even if we hit stop loss, you know, I'm showing you guys that we're learning from that and improving, you know. Yeah, for sure, man. If you want to, if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that should be sending you notifications when I go live. And on top of that, when I go live, I send out a message on the Telegram, I post on my Instagram, and I post it on the Facebook page. So I'm trying to hit all those just in case, because I know some people have told me, oh, YouTube didn't tell me you're live. And hopefully it should, because that's what the notification bell is for, whenever I release videos or I go live. But if it's not, make sure you're in the Telegram, you know, follow me on Instagram, and you know, you'll get those notifications. But other than that, unless I say I'm not gonna be live Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central to 3:30 a.m. Central. That's when I'm on here. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are in a little bit of drawdown here, about 20 pips now. 19 for gold, which is okay. It's fine. It's expected. You know, I was looking at this right here to come and touch this area before we continue to the upside, and that's why I said, you know, this was. You know, if you look at this from here to where it's wicked down, bro, that was 20 pips. That was 20 pips right there. And here's another thing, guys, like, don't underestimate 20 pips. Like, you can come into the market, if you can come into the market and consistently take 10, 15, 20 pips a day, bro, don't underestimate that. I know a lot of you guys probably have small accounts and you're like, ah, man, 10, 15, 20 pips, it's not a lot. It's like, you know, but I'm telling you, if you just stay consistent, keep winning those 10, 15, 20 pips and compound, keep winning that, compound, keep winning that, compound, bro, at a 6-figure account, 10, 15, 20 pips pays bills, bro. Like, it's fucking ridiculous, you know? But you have to find a way to be consistently winning those 10, 15, 20 pips. That's why my original sales here, like, if you would have took that, you could have got your 20 pips and been out and been done. We could have been done in the live stream, but I'm playing this bigger move here. You know, we have a potential for 180 plus pips to the upside. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, it's beginning to move that way. Gold plays those wicks just to play with the motion sometimes, I swear. It feels like that, right? But I'm telling you, look at the mechanics. Let's look at the mechanics. We're bullish. Everyone can see we're bullish. Everyone wants to buy. Everyone wants a piece of this pie. You know what I'm saying? So especially once we see this, everybody's like, oh, let's buy. People are buying all up into this price. It comes down, people are still buying, people are still buying, people are still buying, people are still buying, and then they're putting their stops below the wicks, below the supports, all these underneath these prices, they're putting the stops, right? So then gold comes down and it needs volume to move because it's consolidated. So it starts stopping people out, stopping people out, stopping people out, stopping people out, and then it's like people are, oh shit, it's going down. Sell. So what it does, it comes down, grabs all this liquidity by stopping them all out below the last wick where it came down, retesting this little last zone here, and then completely reverse, because it's grabbed all that liquidity and now people are in sales. Now it's going to go back, grab everybody else's liquidity, have the volume to pump. That's gold. And I know sometimes it feels like she's like a cruel mistress, but I'm telling you, it's just the mechanics of it. You know, it's not any, she's not working against us, bro. You know, that's just gold. I swear, the goal is just catching and keeping pips. Fuck the dollar sign at this stage. For sure, man. That's what it is. Like, and I tell you guys that from the beginning, like, stop focusing on the money. Focus on the skill. Get good at the skill. becomes so fucking good that you're not looking at the dollar amounts. You're just looking at how good are you at the best trade setups, the best ideas, the best probabilities, the best outcomes. And I promise you, everything else falls into place. Like the side effect of mastering the skill is getting money. Like, I know everybody's here to make fucking money. That's a given. Like, stop thinking about that. Like, you got to think about how good can I be at the skill. Be good at the skill. Just fucking focus on the skill, the consistency. Show the fuck up. Have a trading plan. Document and log your fucking trades. Review your trades. See how you can improve. Like, that right there alone, I guarantee you, if you do that for at least 30 days, you will see a massive amount of improvement in your fucking trading. I guarantee it, bro. I guarantee it. But the thing is that everybody is trying to hit a one-hit wonder fucking $1 million trade in overnight, one time, and what are you gonna do after that? You know what I'm saying? Like, can you replicate that? You know, like, imagine you hit $1 million trade and then, you know, you can't replicate that and you spend the next fucking month losing that $1 million. You know, like, that would be fucking horrible, bro. Like, you don't want to be that guy. He's like, yeah, man, I made $1 million trading and then I lost it all. Let's go, Pearl Mistress 100%. In a USD peso sell that I expect to play out, gold gonna fly. Yeah. I don't trade USD against the peso, but I can see it. I can see it happening just based off of gold. Look at gold. Look at gold, man. Look at gold. Look at exactly came down. Wick touched this, grabbed all the volume, and is pulling back up now. We're in drawdown less than 10 pips now, and this was based on we were down like 25, 26 pips. And this is why people hate fucking gold, because they're like, I didn't fucking respect none of the lows or levels, blah, 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 blah. Even if you would have took this sell, you'd have been like, it just came down 20 pips. 20 pips is enough. 20 pips is enough, and people are expecting it to come down here, 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 here. That greed kicks in, they hold it. Now they're in fucking drawdown. Now they're like, oh, fuck, I'm in drawdown. Now they're willing to hold. You know? It's just like, man, you just got to get better at the game. Get better at the game, and I promise you, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It'll be A-okay, baby. Look, gold came all the way back up. So if you would have impulsively took this sell based on this break, you could have caught 20 pips, and if you closed out, congrats. But based on the 30-minute, the time frame we're trading on, it came all the way back up. And I mean, it closed on the line. So even if I was trading this potential sell, I wouldn't have entered because of this. And that psychology, you'd be like, oh man, I wanted to catch that. Or maybe you'd enter right here, be like, okay, yeah, that's good enough. But I'm telling you, this is just a wick to close out, and then it's going to push up. Like, we're at 130 right now. We've got about 30 minutes, and volume is going to kick in. And now all these people that started selling, it's stopping them out, stopping them out, stopping them out till it gets above this market structure, and then we're going to fucking fly. I haven't even looked at GJ. Oh, GJ's still moving down. And this is still valid on GJ, you know. You guys want to trade that later when it gets to that point? Right now we're down 6 pips from our entry. So, killing it. Fucking killing it. I feel like a lot of people just jump on to see the setup and then they're like, all right, I'm out. And they take the setup. But you gotta understand the setup. This live trading setup is based on price action. So you gotta, like, I'm going through this, managing the trade live, telling you guys what I'm looking at, what I'm doing. Like, if I see something that I don't like and I gotta get out, like, I get out. Or, you know, if I, you know, manage my risk and close portion of my position and draw down, whatever the case, like, you know, I'm doing that live. And you guys, you know, for the people that just come in, take the setup and leave and try to take that trade, it's not all about just that, you know. Like, you gotta learn to be able to manage it a little bit better. So we're down 4 pips from our entry. It's come all the way back, on its way up. Tell you, this is a false move. Getting liquidity, getting some volume. And I expect that thing to move up. Pump, baby, pump. Let's go. Let's get it. Down 3 pips. Go, let's go. What's up, Roma? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. We back. We're in buys for gold, bro. Waiting on GJ, but we are in buys for gold, and we are just about to break even. Let's go. Let's go. We're down like 1 pip here. Here she comes. We're up about 6 pips. We are pulling back a bit. I don't know why I'm tired. I took a fat ass nap. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Give me that volume. Give me that volume. All right, all right, all right. A missed entry for gold. How many pips stop loss? This, I mean, it's already 5 pips in profit, but it's about a 70 pip stop. The stop is below this zone right here, this zone. So if you're looking for stops, you know, I'd be looking at stops around here. Stop. See this? Which right now, I mean, it's probably 75 pips now. Stop. But like you could have gotten in down here, which would have been like a smaller stop. We're already in profit. Let's get it, baby. Who's in profit with me? Who took this with me? I mean, we're in baby profits right now, just like 7-8 pips, but those 7-8 pips, I'm telling you, don't discredit 7-8 pips, 10 pips, 15. Those can pay. Those eventually will be paying bills, bro. Once you can master that consistency, to the moon, y'all, to the moon. Oh, guys, I wanted to ask you guys before I forget. I did share good stuff. Prince making some money. Blank Theory said entered small, like 4 pips below yours on the way up. Nice, hell yeah. Yo, so I set up the account already to do the small account to scale that up. $10. I'm gonna scale $10 to 1,000. Okay. Now the reason I'm doing this is just like a challenge thing. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I want to do it to help like people with smaller accounts. I think $10 to 1,000 is very aggressive to scale it up, and it takes a lot of skill, and it's not impossible. I know I can do it, but not a lot of people that start with smaller accounts can. And I don't expect you guys to start with $10. I mean, you should start with whatever you can afford to lose, right? Ideally, you know, if you could start with like $500 or $1,000, that would be a little bit better to get you to a point where you can start making withdrawals and getting some profits. But nonetheless, you know, I'm down to do the challenge. I set up the account. I have it ready. I already deposited the $10, and but I'm trying to figure out how I want to, I guess, kind of document it and roll out the challenge. Now I can just like film it over time and then just upload a video of showing you guys, you know, me doing that from $10 to 1,000. Or I was thinking about 5 to 1,000. No, I'm doing 10. 5, damn, that would be a lot, even more fucking difficult. But I'm doing 10. I'm doing $10 to 1,000. The ways that, like I was saying, I can either do the video and then upload it, show you guys, you know, me scaling the account, you know, documenting all the trades, showing you guys all the trading results of all the trades. Or I don't know if you guys would be down for something like this, but maybe doing like a live marathon session where, I mean, and this will probably, I don't know even if YouTube will let me go live that long. 1 to 1,000, this guy, dude. One, no, there's no. I mean, I think I could probably do it over fucking time, but damn, that would be fucking difficult. Fucking level expert, you know. But anyways, what do you guys think if I did like a live marathon? If I don't know if YouTube will let me stay live that long. Obviously, I probably wouldn't be on the live all the time. Like I would take breaks within that. But like, you know, on my live thing, I can just set it to break, and then, you know, you guys will see when I'm on a break or whatever. And then I'll come back as soon as, because it would literally just be aggressive scalping. till we get to maybe like 100, and then maybe we can take a little bit better longer term setups at $100 to 500, and then once that you're at 500, I mean, it's fucking simple as shit. But getting to the 100, 500 is the most difficult. So I don't know, what do you guys think if I did like a live marathon where like I'm trading with you guys live and showing you guys, I mean, like the results, right? Like we're like in and out of trades, and I mean, we'll probably take multiple trades, right, a day, which I don't, and like the challenge, guys, is not I wouldn't take the challenge as a consistent way to be trading and to be a trader. It's what it is, a challenge, like just to show that the possibility, like a lot of people are like like think that they can't take a small account to a large amount of, one of the biggest misconception is everybody's like, I just need more money, more capital to be able to trade and make profits. And that's not true, guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you can make $1, you can make 10. If you can make 10, you can make 100. If you can make 100, you can make 5. If you can make 5, you can make 1,000. You can make 10. Like, all of that is relative. It doesn't matter. Like, what matters is can you do it? Can you make money? You know what I'm saying? Because the lot sizes and all that, that is relative to, that doesn't matter. That's not gonna play into whether you're winning or losing. Does that make sense? Like, what matters of whether you're winning or losing is, are you consistent? Can you actually trade? So I think what better way to showcase skills than do that. But anyways, I'm gonna ask that question to you guys. I'm gonna probably post it on my Instagram, maybe on the Telegram, and then depending on the feedback I get, if you guys are maybe interested in doing like a live marathon type thing, I can consider that. You'd be the first to do it also live. Yeah, man. Like, that's why. Yeah, I've seen that. So how long? I mean, dude, I don't know how long it would be. It varies on the market, the opportunities we get. Like, I know it won't be in a day. I know maybe I'd have the live stream going for a while, but I've seen people that have just like live streams of like trades, and they just show a chart, and the chart is just there for like fucking days and shit. So 100 to 1,000 would be nice. Yeah, I mean, that's way easier than a 10 to 1,000. Excuse me. Excuses. I used to flip $200 of my checks into 1,000 within a few days and withdraw. That's what I'm saying. Like, risk management, confidence. Yeah, it's totally possible. Totally possible. And I want to show that for, can you catch pips is the real question. Hell yeah. Make a poll on IG. Yeah. Probably could do it in like 2 weeks. I think you can have a full live stream going all day easy. Just leave it up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I would like just leave it up. And when it's like ranging or we're waiting for price and stuff, like I can like pause it, come to a break, and then have like price alerts, obviously, that whenever it alerts me, I come back on the live and show that. That way, like, I know I've seen challenges from $10 to 1,000 from multiple people, and they just video and edit and cut out and shorten it down to like 10 minutes. But that gives a lot of false perception, like in 10 minutes, this dude just showed you, I don't know, maybe a fucking month of like trading and took a $10 to 1,000. Like, I think by doing it live would give a little bit more of a realistic approach. And not only do you see the trading, but you see me and my psychology, my trade management, my risk management, my approach. Like, I think there's a lot of value missing when anyone can, if for entertainment, that's great. Do a challenge and show that you did it. 10-minute video that you've recorded over the span of how much ever time, whatever. But the thing is being able to do it live brings a lot more value and education to the picture that I think would be very beneficial for people that are starting out with small accounts and wanting to do that kind of thing. But yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking about. Excuse me, guys. We're in profit a couple pips here. Nothing big, it's like 5 pips. But I mean, it's moving, right? We have about 12 minutes till we hit London Open, which I expect more volume to come into the market and pump this thing up. So we'll see. The thing is that yesterday at 2, it was a push down. You see that this push down during London, and it didn't start pushing back up till pre-New York and New York. New York is what pushed it up. So that's the only thing I gotta think about, because this London caused a push down. I'm hoping that this London doesn't cause a push down. And I'll be watching it, you know, like I'm here watching the trade, but everything I'm seeing right now is playing out in our favor. I mean, we're in like 10 pips profit now. You know, if you're a scalper, you're just looking for the 10 pips, there's your 10 pips. 14 pips up now. Like, I mean, it's running. Volume is coming in. It's coming in, y'all. Hopefully you guys were able to jump in on this trade and make some money here. Also, guys, don't forget, you know, if you're new here, I have a Telegram. Link is in the description. You know, I've been sending out fire-ass calls, especially when I'm not available on the stream. I come in and I send out Telegram stuff so you guys can have that opportunity to trade and have some trade ideas to go off of. Oh my goodness. Gotta stay hydrated, guys. Look, let's look at GJ real quick. Oh, still playing around. Look at this. See this candle? Push down. Fake breakout. Pulled back up. Now this candle breaking the high. See that? On a lower time frame, this is break of market structure. You understand that? Breaking this market structure, clean move to up here. Does that make sense? And then we're looking at this area, and then we're looking at the next area. You know what I'm saying? Like from here, we'll look at this next area, and then from here, we'll look at this breakout. Volume will be in the actual move that it's wanting to do to push up. So just wanted to point that out. Yeah, man. I mean, I honestly think it's gonna fucking fly. But how many pips are you going for on gold, bro? Like I said, there's gonna be levels here. You know, our first level is looking at the top of this, but I do see this moving up to test this daily resistance. Now, whether we break that or not, I don't know. but you know, looking to hit around 1810, 1809 area. Right now the target's about 180 plus pips. So yesterday, this was yesterday's call on the Telegram. We hit 111 pips. If you would have held this thing, because I had it at 1788, but if you would have held this thing to where it capped out over here, it's like almost 200 pips. But we weren't greedy. Like, we took 110 pips at 1811 and we called it a day. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday, this risk to reward, look at this. We risked what was the risk? 20 pips. We risked 20 pips. It was a 5.53 risk to reward. That was a hell of a fucking trade. And I called this one on, like, from my phone. Using my phone to trade. I much rather prefer like my desktop PC setup, because I can move through time frames and chart things up, and it's just a lot easier, I think. But I mean, if you have to, or if you don't have a desktop and you just have your phone, I mean, look, I did it from the phone. Totally possible. Totally possible. Yo guys, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex for you guys every Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And don't forget, there's a Telegram link in the description where I send out trade ideas as well. This trade right here yesterday, I sent it out in the Telegram. How do I get on the Telegram? I'm only having YouTube access. Just signing up. Yeah, just go to the link in the description, bro. When you go to the link in the description, it'll take you straight to the Telegram. If you don't have Telegram as an app on your phone, just download it. And then, I don't know if you have to click the link again, but once you have the app downloaded on your phone, click the link, and then it'll take you straight to the group, and then you just click join the channel that I have, and that will have you in the group, in the channel. So we're in a little bit of profits here. We got about 5 minutes before London open. We want to make sure we're like closing above here. I would like to make sure that we're in like bullish engulfing candle. It's already broken price structure above, so with the wick, so we want to at least close the body above so we can continue. Just got to give it time, guys. Got to be patient. Got to be patient. Give it some time. See what GJ is doing. I'm still playing around. See what the Chinese indicator says. Oh. No strength for GBP, all the strength for JPY. Should cause it coming down. What are the losers doing? 51% are still short. It's a lot of consolidation right here. Should get a push phase here soon. Probably coming for London Open. Got about 2.5 minutes before London Open, and see that volume coming in. Patience, patience. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Yo, also, if you're new here, you're gaining any value out of this, you're taking any of these trades, please consider hitting the like button. This helps me gain more exposure and help other traders that need it. You know, that's why I do these streams. I'm already profitable myself. I already make my money myself. I have no reason to do this other than to just try to help as many people as possible. And in order to do that, you know, I need YouTube to pick that up, and for that to happen, I need likes on the stream. So if you guys would be kind enough to consider liking and hitting that like button for me, we can help more people. Like I said, I've only been doing this for about a month. I mean, I've been trading for like six plus years now, but I've only been live streaming for about a month. Excuse me. Got about 30 seconds here. Oh, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, look, this right here on the 15-minute would have been a slightly better entry right here. This bullish candle, boom. I mean, we're talking about 8 pips, 8 pips better than my entry. All right, so we're in London Open. It's pumping up, looking nice, looking nice. Break these other highs and keep going, keep going. Volume's coming up. We're at about 14 pips profit. Craft Costanza, what's up, man? Are you one of Raja's students? Nah, bro, I'm not. I know Raja. I've joined his stream a couple times, but I'm not one of his students. Definitely not. I'm my own student, bro. I'm a student of the game. I don't have any mentors, man. I don't have everything I've learned is from the market itself, from testing myself, and just from time and experience. Hasn't been, I haven't had anyone teach me. I wish, like, that's another reason I do this thing, because like I wish there was someone that was just cut out the fucking fluff and be honest and be transparent and trade and teach. And I know Raja, he does a really good job of that as well, but I don't, like, I remember when I was struggling and I wasn't consistent or profitable, I told myself, if I ever do get to a point that I'm consistent and profitable, or when I get to that point, I'm gonna be, you know, I wanted to give back and do this for people that needed it, because that's what I would have wanted for myself, you know. Champ's got a chart for us. Let's see. What you looking at, bro? Why it always adds this extra. Oh, that's not it, bro. Nice work, man. I hope to watch you go. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. It's not a, I don't think trading is not a difficult thing. It's very simple. It's not easy because there's a lot of psychological factors you got to overcome. But, you know, looking at price, you know, I could ask my, you know, 10-year-old niece, like, hey, if you look at this to this, does it go up or down? You know, it's very simple. But us as human beings, we overcomplicate the fuck out of it, you know? And that's where the problem lies, is in the fact that we continuously love to overcomplicate shit. Shit, look, GJ is coming down. Might be a nice sell opportunity there soon. But yeah, I think that, you know, people get inside their heads too much and aren't able to be disciplined enough. You know, there's a lot of work that you have to do, being self-disciplined and sitting on your hands and being patient and reading what you read and not trying to connect dots where dots don't exist, and then, you know, taking trades against yourself. But once you figure that out, like, it's pretty much a simple thing. I mean, I come on, do this every single day. Yeah, I mean, I think that deleted by Google moderating. Oh, it's probably because you're putting the whole URL, bro. Yeah, I took that out because I had a bunch of people spam stuff. So you just got to put the ending, and like if you go here to the save, go to the save image, and then just this, whatever's after snapshots, copy that, send that in the chat, and that's what I can pull up. All right, so we're in about 15 pip profit right now. Copy that. Oh, yeah, I need that letter, the letter behind snapshot or after snapshots. It's not gonna. I mean, I'll try it. Yeah, I need that letter behind the snapshot. All right, we're in about 17 pip profit. Volume's coming in. We're in London. It's pushing up. Exactly what I wanted to see. We're in profits. We are in profits. We have about 22 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. GJ is testing that bottom level for a potential sell. I'm not going to get into this sell because I'm already in a trade. I'm in gold. You feel more than welcome to take this if you want to take that. You know, I don't know your risk management plan or your trading plan, trading strategies. So up to you guys if you want to take that. I am in gold and I am in profits, and it's pushing up right now. Is it? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go grab a water real quick, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I am back. Still in profits. Just kind of playing around right there. DJ pulling back up. All right, we are at about 15 pips profit still. Pushing up, we got about 18 minutes left on this candle. Look at the hour, bro. See this bullish doji? A nice price indication, price action indication of price reversal. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hours pulling back up completely. 15 minute, boom. 5 minute, boom. We want to see price reach and break this area, this area, this area. Looking nice, about 18-20 pips in profit now. This is the volume we're looking for. Got about 16 minutes left on this candle. Jim, let me try this again. Yeah, and it's because this thing like changed the way like shows it now, and nope, still not. I don't know what the hell, bro. So about 23 pips in profit now. Looking nice and lovely. Looking nice and lovely. Nice bit of volume coming in. You know, and this move up here might take all the way to New York to play out. Right? Our stream here, we're live till 3:30. Right there. Got about an hour and 15 minutes left on the stream. But we're in profit in the trade here. Guys, at any given moment, you know, you're scared to hold this, close out, take your money, get out. You know, put your stops to break even, take partials, like do what you want to do. I'm not here to tell you how to trade your account. I'm just here showing you how I trade mine. You know, I'm in profits. You know, this is my stops down here. We're pushing up. It's got to be patient. You know, we're still moving a little slow here because we're in this range. You know, I expect like once we break above here, we should start moving a little bit quicker. See where, just to identify some levels over here. Okay, so have a look here. So you gotta take profit levels. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I mean, it used to work in the past. See this now? Let me try it. I don't know why it does that. Like, you guys see that? Like, why does it show it like that when it's this? Oh, you know what? Maybe .png at the end. Your view is broke, dude. I don't know what the fuck. I mean, it's used to work in the past. Fine. And all this markups, guys, like, you know, I do this for you guys to visually see, but usually I don't do none of that shit. You know, maybe a couple of zones, like the bigger zones, but I don't need all that. At like how I trade now, I mean, I don't necessarily need all that. But I have it so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, let's see here. We got about 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 50 seconds left on this candle. Not as much volume as I would have liked for London Open. Hopefully we continue to push up. Keep pushing up, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Did we have, yeah, at 7:30 a.m. we got this. Oof. So previous was 576K. Forecast is 607K. If this is right, or there's more than this, that's not good for the US dollar. And when the dollar goes down, gold goes up. So, alright, so this thing is pulling back a bit. Just fine. Still good. Still 10 pips in profit. Joe Mama, hi, can you please say my name? Joe Mama. This guy. Hilarious, bro. Hilarious. You're lucky you have a sense of humor, otherwise I'd block you. I'm just kidding, man. I mean, I don't care. Like, I had one time someone send me a chart to look at and they had drawn a dick all over it and I didn't even block them. What is this, 2013? Hey, shit, I would say like 2005. Shit, maybe some of you guys hadn't even been born yet. Or were just born, 5-year-olds and shit. I don't know how old you guys are, but I seem to get a lot of like a big young crowd. I haven't seen none of the regulars, man. Like, where's Tom Bandit? Where's Steve at? Where's my boy Mike at? Like, usually these guys are on it. Okay, so look, GJ's breaking. Oh shit, Tom is here. Look at him. He's just being silent. I hadn't seen you, bro. Welcome, man. This would be a nice like 15 pip stop. First level, boom. Nice. Come down to this level. If this closes, you got about 5 minutes. Don't jump in this yet. Like, wait for it to close. We got 5.5 minutes. It closes below. That's what the setup looks like. If it was to close right here, right now, this second, boom, I would definitely take a sell. We were just talking about. Yeah, bro, I hadn't seen you come into the chat. I hadn't seen you. I didn't know if you were here or not. Where's my where Sonny? Where's Sonny at? Is Sonny here? I hadn't seen Sonny in a while, man. He's the one that usually pokes the pairs for me and gets them to move. Come and poke gold, bro. Tell it to go up. Got about 4.5 minutes. Be patient, guys. Wait for this 4.5 minutes and this thing could come down. Come down to Funky Town. Having a phenomenal session. Phenomenal session. Some levels here for you guys would be that's pulling up. Depends where the entry would be first. Yeah, just about that same one. Remember, if this thing pulls back up above, like, we're not taking it. That's why you got to be patient and wait. I just want gold to fly. You jump in on that gold, Tom? Did you take any of the Telegram ones that have been sitting out? Man, I've been killing it. Nice. Good shit, bro. All right. Let's see here. Hell yeah. That's what's up, man. I'm glad you've been able to take those, bro. I know you've been trying to scale your account. Hopefully this is giving you a little pump. Who names their name Joe Mama? Like, you just go around streams asking people to fucking say your name or some shit. Oh my gosh, you guys are wild. I don't know why I'm tired when I took a fat ass nap. Yo, I like went to bed, like I took a nap around, it was like 5 o'clock to 11. What is that? 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 6 hour nap, bro. That's not even a nap, that's sleep. I usually only sleep like 4 or 5 hours a day, but like shit. Took a fat ass nap. It's because, man, I've been on the road, I've been like up and stuff, and yesterday I didn't even really sleep because I couldn't do the live stream, and then I called out the trade and I was like watching the trade, and then by the time I knew it, I had to get up to get ready to catch my flight, and just a bunch of nonsense. Oh, by the way, my account is now at $80 from $5. Fuck yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hell yeah. Homie Tom took his account from $5 to $80. When he jumped on here, he told me it was at $5. He's at 80 now. Telling you, man, all possible. You just gotta be consistent, stay patient, keep showing up. DJ broke. At least change it up. I'll say Joe Daddy. Tom says GJ broken retest on the 5 minute. Okay, yeah, maybe on the 5 minute. We got about 10 seconds here, and it's kind of like, oof. This is not a bad entry. About 15 pip stop. Got about a 15 pip stop here. Yeah, I would enter a sell on GJ for sure. Put your stops above the previous wicks here, and then just watch that thing ride. Okay, so gold is pushing down a bit. It's fine, totally fine. Need to get that breathing room. Champ, do you want inspiration? I started with 10 pounds, now I have 90K. Hell yeah, you see? That's what I'm talking about, bro. Totally possible, man. So this is a valid trade. It's active. If you guys jumped in on that, I mean, you're getting better entries right now with this push up a bit. But I do see this coming down to test this area. And then below this would be testing this area. Boom. And then below this, little area right there. Breaking that. Boom. Just different target levels for you guys. This right here is just a better entry. Better entry with this pullback. If you hadn't jumped in. Gold is pushing down a bit. Come on, gold, pull back up. Pull back up. DJ is about 3 pip drawdown, 4 pip drawdown. Come on, gold. I need you to pull back up. So if GJ comes back into this zone, like above this price level, you know, I would consider reducing my risk, closing out my trade, or you know, it's just something you want to look at, because you don't want this to continue. You want this to hold, to push down, you know. So it's just trade management. Remember, we don't have absolute truth here. We have probabilities, and so we look at the numbers and the probability. So the probability that this will turn back around, if it pulls back up into here, closes in here in this range, you know, the probability is high that we'll move up. You see, and we're moving up right now. So it's not what we want to see. You know, it's coming up to test this. See, I would probably close half of my position, half of my risk. You know, yeah, you take a small loss, but if it comes to hit your stop, you take a even smaller loss than your original planned risk. You know, so you just want to monitor that, watch that, because you totally do that. I mean, it could just be pulling up for a wick and then continue to the downside. Gold, come on, gold, push up, baby. Let's go. Patience, 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 patience. Come on, gold. What are you doing, gold? Gold is back at entry. Not what I want, baby. I want you to go up. pulling back up. Come on, baby. Let's go. They pulling down. About 7 pip drawdown for GJ. Got about 50 minutes left on the stream. There was we are in active trade with gold. DJ was activated as well. Currently a little drawdown for DJ. We are in about 6 pip drawdown, 5 pip drawdown. It's coming back down. Good thing. Gold is pulling back up. Go gold. Let's go, baby. See what the Chinese indicator says. Oh, no strength for JBP, all strength for JPY. Losers say 53% are short now. Maybe that's why it pulled up a bit. Let's go, baby. DJ pulling down 3 pips now on that. Gold pulling back up, looking lovely, looking lovely. There will be news at 6 for GBP and USD that will affect the market. 6. You talking about this right here? Oh, it's the yellow folder. It's at 5 a.m. for me. What is it? Let's see. Level of diffusion index based on survey manufacturers. Actual graded forecast good for currency. Right. Come on, gold. We just get a nice pump up. Nice. Nice. So this 15-minute, it pulled up into it but closed below. So still valid. Gold is still pulling up. Looking nice, guys. It's looking nice. Gold is flipping. Gold is flipping the bullish. Go, baby. Let's go. We got about 45 minutes left here in the stream. Gold is pumping up. We got GJ playing around. Down about 8 pips here. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Just a patient waiting game, guys. So GBP is gaining some strength. On gold. Ready for you to bump. On gold. Did any of you guys jump in on the GJ? Just curious. I did King Lion the Third. You're quiet, bro. You just sitting in the background, sitting in the shadows. What's up, though? I know it's in a bit of a drawdown right now, but coming down, coming down. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Do your thing. Do your thing. Got about 7 minutes left on this candle. Come on, gold. Got about 5.5 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. What you gonna do? Ideally, I want to see this candle close not only bullish, but I'd like to see breaking new highs. So if we could get that in the next 4 minutes, that would be great. Be awesome. Gold. Let's go, let's go. Damn, gold, what are you doing? Got about 3.5 minutes left on this candle. Guys, if you're just joining the stream, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live stream Forex trading Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And if you've gotten any value in this, if you've jumped into any of my trades, if you've taken any of my trades, I also send out trades on Telegram. Link is in the description. Everything is free. Please consider hitting the like button. Helps me gain some exposure and help other traders that need it as well. Push up, gold. We got about 2 minutes left here. Okay, GJ should be coming into profits. We're about a pipette profit. Okay, look, it's coming into profits now. So should be nice for those that took GJ. Gold is dilly-dallying right now. A minute and a half left on this candle. Alright, GJ is in profits now, about 3 pips, pushing down, looking hella nice, GJ. She is flying. Let's go, 6 pips in profit. Oh, come on, gold. Come on, gold. What you doing? About 30 seconds left here. We're basically at break even for gold. DJ is flying. DJ is flying, man. Look at that, 7 pips in profit. Sheesh. DJ is flying. Gold's at break even. Come on, gold. So we got a new candle here. This is our last candle for the stream. Gold looks like it wants to push down. So let's read this candle. Now we have a push up here and we have a pullback. So really this could just be, you know, some breathing room, getting some volume to pull back. Let's look at what the 15-minute looks like. Maybe have like a fib here. Okay, so looks like we pulled up, going to pull back into this fib zone, respected it once, respected it twice. So maybe now we continue to the upside, right? Just an extra level of confirmation. I'm still in it. I'm staying in it. I'm not, you know, I trade my trades. A little bit of a drawdown there. All good. GJ. Like it spiked down and pull back up. It's okay. It's a new candle, so it's allowed. It's allowed. And it continue to the downside. This thing just fucking melts. I mean, it already went for, let's see, almost 12 pips profit. Gold fucking playing. Little bit of drawdown here for gold. It's all good though. All right. Come on, gold, pull up. Pull up, gold. And GJ looking nice. GJ's in about 8 pip profit. Finally turning back bullish is gold. Coming back. Finally. Come on now. Gold pushing up. Gold pushing up. Looking nice. DJ pushing down. That's looking nice. Come on, gold. Got about 25 minutes left here on the stream. We are currently in profit for the gold trade. GJ is also in profit. It's pulling back a bit, but it is still in profit. Come on, GJ. All right, gold's pulling up. Nice. Keep pulling up. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Gotta be patient. On gold. Come on, Gold, what are you doing? Got about 20 minutes left here on the stream. Come on now. Come on now. DJ's in profit by 9 pips. Gold is fucking playing around. Gotta be patient, guys. Patience pays. Remember that. Patience pays. Patience pays. Oh. Go, baby. Come on, Gold. Give me a nice pump up. Nice pump up. Yo, if you're just joining the stream, we have an active trade going on in gold, kind of break even right now. And GJ did activate, currently in about 7-8 pips profit. And yeah, I mean, we're just kind of waiting for price to make its move. But if you are new to the channel, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when I go live. And consider hitting the like button if you've gained any value, if you've taken any trades, if you made any profit, just so I can gain more exposure to help other traders. You know, I'm here for you guys. I'm here to try to help you guys become profitable and make some winning trades, make some money. Appreciate that. So gold is like fucking chilling at the break-even level. GJ, man, about 9-10 pips profit, looking nice. Looking nice. Come on, gold. Can you just pump up? Pump up. I don't know why I'm so sleepy when I took a nap. My whole sleep schedule's off though. Alright, gold's finally pushing up. Volume in here. I think this is probably gonna take till New York to pump up, like being gold being gold, you know. DJ, she's 10, 11, 12 pips profit now. She's flying. She's looking hella nice. Go. Go moving up a bit. DJ is still going down. Got about 13 minutes left on the stream. Oh, come on, gold. What are you doing? Okay. Gonna pump down? Is that what you want to do, gold? Damn it, gold. Come on now. What the Chinese indicator says. Oh, DBP down again, JPY up. What the losers are doing. Now 54% are short. Maybe they win this one. Gotta give them one every now and then, you know? Come on, gold. Currently down on gold about 9 pips. DJ is up about 7 pips. Come on, gold. What is you doing? What is you doing, gold? Got about 8.5 minutes left on the stream. Come on, gold. I need you to push up. Patience, guys. Patience, patience. Come on, gold. Pull up. Pull up, gold. Got about 5.5 minutes left on this candle and on the stream. Being patient, letting price work itself out. Come on, gold. What are you doing? Got about 4 minutes left here. DJ is in profit about 7 pips. Gold is about 7 pips drawdown. Guys, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. We are in an active trade for gold, currently in about 6 pips drawdown, and GJ in about 7 pips profit. Just being patient here, just waiting for this to move. We need some more volume in here to pump this up. And yeah, if you're new, just consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And if you've gained any value out of this stream, any education, anything like that, please consider hitting like so I can get more exposure and help more traders that need it. Come on, gold, what the fuck are you doing? So we're in like 11 pip drawdown now on gold. It's all good. Being patient, being patient. So ideally we want this to at least close above this little support, which is kind of what it's doing. It's a good sign. It's not coming down and making new lows in the body. Got about 30 seconds left here. This could have just been the first pump up, come back down, create this little double bottom, and then continue, which I'm okay with. We're just watching here. Ow. Got about 10 seconds left. Ugh. All right, so we did close above. Gold is pushing up now, which is a good sign for us. I think GJ's still in profit. Yeah, GJ's still in profit, about 6-7 pips, and it's continuing to move down. So this is my time, guys. It's 3:30. What I want you guys to do is make sure you're managing this trade. You know, if price is closing below here, this low, you know, consider closing portion of your risk. Otherwise, I think that when New York comes around, that volume is going to pump in and really give us the move that we want. But other than that, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for keeping me company. Thanks for contributing. Thanks for liking the stream. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it, guys. If you're new, remember, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell. Give me a like if you got any value out of this. If you're watching this after the fact, be sure to comment with any questions. I'm answering all the comments. Also, I have my Telegram link in the description where I'm sending out breakdowns, analysis, trade ideas. So make sure you're jumping on that as well. Other than that, guys, that is my time. Thank you so much. Much love. Appreciate you guys. I'll be back mañana, tomorrow, for another one. And we'll see what we get. Having a hell of a week. Having a hell of a month. Other than that, peace. Much love.